Here are 3 habits that are bad for depression. 1. Caffeine intoxication. As a disorder, it's characterized by symptoms including nervousness, muscle twitching, rambling speech, and sleeplessness following a dose of caffeine exceeding 250 milligrams. This is only going to amplify negative emotions and make them unbearable. 2. Junk food. A Spanish study found people who eat a lot of fast food are 51% more likely to be depressed than those who avoid it. There are potent and powerful chemicals in your brain that are affected by certain foods. These neurotransmitters communicate directly with our brains. Imbalances in neurotransmitters make you much more likely to suffer from anxiety, depression, and insomnia. 3. Social media. When you expose yourself to social media, your brain starts changing networks, which causes your neurotransmitters to fire incorrectly. If they're unable to fire in harmony, your brain waves won't be coherent. To be focused and feel good, they need to fire in harmony. Take the Biohacker's Guide to Dismantling Depression today. The link's below.